Okay. This is a bit dense, but Capers-Jones has an immense amount of research on defect removal, causes of defects, and techniques to find them and fix them. So this particular table number 2, it happens to be from an article called Software Defect Removal Efficiency, and you can find that very easily online. But there's a list of defect removal techniques that are before software testing in the software development lifecycle, and then techniques that are used during testing. And you can see the minimum and maximum effectiveness, what we call defect removal efficiency, and formal design inspections have an average of, okay, we're going to find 87% of problems, of defects in the actual design. Formal code inspections, we're going to find 85% of the defects in the code. Static analysis, 85%. Pair programming actually averages only 55% on top of being very costly, which is kind of why it hasn't probably really didn't catch on for 20 years. And then there's all the different techniques in testing. There's automated unit testing. There's independent testing at the very bottom. Just have a developer kind of independently test the code, or have just an independent party. But what Capers-Jones found is that if you combine a few highly effective techniques, then you actually get a combined benefit. So, for example, if you take formal inspections, like the formal design code and requirements inspections, each of which average 87 and 85 and 78, then you're already getting in the 90s. And then you add on some of the testing techniques, and then you add on static analysis. In his research, that combination is the most effective and reliably gets teams around 97% and above defect removal efficiency. Okay, so when thinking about the industry's track record of developers spending half of their time finding and fixing defects, as a strategy, you can adopt some of these formal inspections, static analysis, and some of these testing types that are at the top of the list, and get your team up to 97% defect removal. So that's just a strategy change and putting in place some of these techniques. Okay, not asking developers to work longer or work harder. Let's just change a little bit about the way we work, and let's capture some of that time.